So here we are underneath the car. We're on the ground because I still haven't let the silicone dry long enough, so I can't start it up and move it to get on a hoist, so we're doing it on the floor, which is fun. And here's what I mean about the double-sided tape. It's just a little buffer because the radiator on top, it bolts into the body in two spots, and on the bottom, or about halfway down, there's just a little rubber grommet that sits in a hole, and it can jiggle around. So even though it's properly mounted, it's got this much movement, and when I do that, it's just smacking right up against this oil cooler. So try to get a little bit of visual for you. Yeah, so I just jam some of this tape in there. It doesn't have to be pretty. Actually, being a little bit rumpled is really good because that's a thicker padding for it. But I'm going to cut off the edges here up there so that we don't restrict too much airflow through this one, because it's got to cool down so it can do its job properly as well. So